Hi there everybody, it's Sanna here again. This is my October The Wild Hare Kids kit project wrap up. So I will be sharing with you all the projects that I created with my October kit. And I did a total of 3 layouts this time because I was traveling and I was not at home and at my studio, so I didn't have so much time to do videos and also not so much time to do scrapbooking in general. But I did 3 layouts and also a mini book, and this is the mini book I've already shared on my YouTube channel earlier. So I've got my knee surgery recovery journey documented on this mini book, and this is what the cover looks like. And then I've got this layout created with the office hours collection from the Pink Fresh studio, and this one is based on the monthly sketch that is always available at the Wild Hare Kids blog in the beginning of the month, so you are free to join and also give a try on the sketch yourself. So if you do so, please tag the Wild Hare Kids so that we can find you and come and leave some love at your blogs and social media sites. So this is the layout based on the sketch. And then I also did a wreath, and this is a scrap lift of Katie's layout, and I've shared this layout on my blog with a step-by-step photo tutorial. And I did a lot of fussy cutting for this one, as you can see here, and I did some layering, and there's 3D foam underneath. But my inspiration for this page came from the scrap lift challenge that we have going every month, and in October the person we scrap lifted was Kate, and this is my take on her layout. You can find more details on my blog. And finally, a happy yellow toned textured layered layout with lots and lots and lots of chipboard elements by the Pink Fresh studio, and also some of their stickers and embellishments, and then some truly grateful papers in 2x2 inch size. And I created like quilt pattern on the background with those, and then did some heavy layering here, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that on the video. There are lots and lots of layers, and I also used the packaging from the chipboard elements as a background on this page, because I had been teaching a class in fall 2018 in Finland, and this is from the event I took part in and held my classes at. So I wanted to add a lot of office supplies and, you know, camera and pencils, because they kind of fit the scrapbooking theme too. So I used almost every single chipboard and embellishment piece that was on my kit, basically on this layout. So that's it. These are my projects for October, and I still have quite a lot of paper left, and let me show you what's left. So this is what's left from the chipboard pieces. There's one piece from paper I saved, and that's it. I really used almost everything, and I just had these left from the office hours chipboard elements. Then I've got one paper. I had been saving this paper because I said I wanted to use this, and there's 30 days of thankful challenge coming up in November on the Wild Hare Kids blog for the team. So I figured I might be adding this paper to that mini album project I'm planning on making, because it has a lot of elements there that work with the theme. So I've been saving this paper for that purpose. Just cut a tiny piece from it for a layout, and that was it. And next I've got still some of this paper left. This is the office hours busy paper, and these would make good pieces for the Thankful mini album too. So I might be adding some of the elements from the October kit to my November projects, but you know, we'll see. And then I've got plenty of these 2x2 inch papers still left. These are great for card making, embellishments, whatever, and I can use them along throughout this year for other projects. And this is the second embellishment pack that was in my kit, and this was the stickers and enamel dots, and I've only got this left. Everything else has been used on the layouts. And then I did a lot and lot of fussy cutting with this paper by Pink Paisley from the Truly Grateful collection. This is the number 11 paper, and I cut out all of these cuckoo clocks, and it was a lot of fussy cutting, but I love the result and it was really worth it. And I really like this paper. I wish I had a second piece of this, because this is really great for all kinds of layouts. And last but not least, there are still some elements, some clocks left over from the hard work office hours paper, and that's it. That's everything that's left. So not that much, but I still have good bits and pieces left over for, you know, for adding to other Petite kits throughout the year, or just adding to other projects and kits that are coming along this year. So yeah, that's it. I had a really great time creating with my October kit. I loved everything that was in there, and I used every single paper, at least parts of it. So there was nothing that I said, that's not so me. And like you see, there's not much left. So this will go aside, and I will be adding bits and pieces from this kit, probably for other projects throughout the year. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with another video. That will be the November unboxing video, so stay tuned. See you soon. Bye!